Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how I've repaired this little bear that was missing two wheels. So having the background of being an industrial product designer, I just like to fix stuff, so that's the reason why I've decided to take this project. So I've went to the hardware store, bought some aluminium rods and two wheels just to mount them back on the bear. So the next step will be the Xencast Polyurethane from EasyComposites. So I'm using the P6. They have an entire range of different hardnesses of the polyurethane, but I'm using the toughest one for this project. So the first step was cutting the aluminium rods to a decent shape, and I've just used the metal blades just to go through it. You could also use power tools, but I think this was the easiest way for such thin aluminium rods. So next thing I'm doing, I'm just placing them above the smaller rod that was on the wheel, and then I'm just taping them on, and then I'm just adding some tacky tape just to make sure they are not leaking while I'll be pouring them. So here's the P6, so it's a fast curing resin. I think it's one of the easiest resins you could use. Just make sure to stir the two bottles quite well before using them. So it's mixing ratio of 50/50, and then you can just mix them. Make sure you're quite quick mixing them and pouring, because it will set and cure quite rapidly. So I think they cure at around 10 minutes. They will be cured, and I think you have a pot life of around 5 minutes, maybe less, depending on the size of the cups that you're mixing. So after 30 minutes you can demold them, and the cool thing was that they were still turning around, so that was for me a big relief, because I was quite scared having the rolling parts of these wheels being stuck with the polyurethane as well. So everything went as planned, so I'm quite happy. And then I'm just taping them off just to know the measurements on how deep the wheels have to go into the bear. And then it's just a step of just adding a bit of tape just to create like a tighter fit in between the aluminium rods that were still into the bear with the new two wheels. So that's how I fixed this bear. I hope you liked this video, and I have more video tutorials about the casting resins from EasyComposites coming soon. So stay tuned, subscribe, like and share this video, and thanks for watching.